Okay, sit back.
Trying to push him a little.
William's not so quick in that big Dodge.
Yeah, I was gonna say, or are we gonna just like getting ready to go fast? Oh man, this will be so much fun.
First. Okay, I'm not getting anything from the finish. I just want to make sure all the last car was on there and we can make our car clear.
Yeah, oh, I forgot to get your notes out. Get your notes out.
Orange tab.
Okay, you understand that one?
Copy that.
I have to catch up where we were at.
That should have been a left 4, 50 over crest, into a right 5 maybe, into a left 4, 50 over crest, maybe 100 over crest, then we got a right 2.
Oh, right 2. Keep left into right 2. Keep right over crest, right 4. Left 5, water crest. 50. Left 6, over crest into right 4.
Nope.
No.
That was a left 5. Alright.
Left 5 tight and right 4 open 50. No.
Left.
See, I already ruined it.
This is the bad area. Well, one of them.
Exclamation mark?
Yeah.
I see exclamation mark here. Left
That
3
would've been
50
back
to left
there.
3 long. 50.
Here's our triple caution.
See another exclamation mark here.
Yep.
98 passing 2.0.
25 into left 3 long. Left 4 maybe. And then we got a right 1. R1. Look at R1.
Oh, 50 R1 40 long 5. Or 40 left 5.
Get the traction control turned on.
Left 5 here. 50. Right 4 very long.
Right 4 very long. Right? Yep.
20. Left 4. 80. Left 2 open. Left 2 long.
You don't want to go off.
Left 2 long.
Be aware there's a random
50
Chevy Blazer
over crest.
behind you guys. That is a owner and he's on his way out to his house.
Right 6 over crest.
Good though.
Right 3 into left 2 long 50.
Okay. And the left 2
Long. Right 3 over crest, left 4 into right 2, left 5 tight, left 3 50 over crest,
3.
3.0.
Over crest.
Right 5 over crest, 50. Right 3, 50.
Right 350.
Right 4, open, 75. Gun it. Left 6,
Easy on the
75. Left 6, 75 over crest, left 6.
Into what? I needed that left.
Left 3.
Yeah, I needed that 3 a little bit sooner, but
Okay. 50, left 3 open, 50. Right 4. 50, left 5. Very long. Over crest, left 5. 50, right 5.
Yeah,
Down.
back to over crest.
Left 5. 50, right 5.
Left 5, 50, right 5. Okay. Right 5.
Down,
in.
left 5. Right 2.
90, passing 3.5.
Short. 50, left 5.
Then
Right 5, down, 100 over crest.
5 down. Okay.
Start for relay.
There's the crest.
Left 5, 100. Right 3. Very long through stop.
Yep. I know right where we're at.
400.
Start
Flat out.
relay.
So I had that traction control turned on.
Left 5 over bridge.
Affirm. Do we know if there's going to be a green light car?
No, there's no green light.
There's a bumper in the
This is
road.
Sweep 90. On this running, there is no green light car.
Right 6, uphill.
So, Tacoma Sweep 90 is the last.
Left 2, uphill,
They
100.
just passed midpoint.
Okay, thank you. Start the relay. Will you confirm what
How do you
stage
turn that off?
that I can let
Hit your center different.
Richard
Right 3,
and the media
long,
out,
opens.
reverse
Right 3.
course and going out through start?
Oh.
Thank you.
Sweep stopping.
What's going on with them?
They broke. They're okay.
Anybody have moved east on that car? 404.
I wonder if they're the ones that got the
5.7
skid
miles
plate
in.
for the road. That was left 3. There's probably
Left
something
3,
about the
gravel.
bumps.
Right 3, rough.
There it is.
Right
Go
3,
ahead.
rough. Left 4, 50.
Yeah, well, we didn't actually have
Right
a green
3,
light, but
left
certainly
2.
That's fine. I'll let him go.
Right 3,
There's
keep
a-
right. Over right 4. Left 4.
Sweep from net control 404 is 5.7 miles in.
Right 3, left 3. Go.
90, passing 4.5.
Left 3, 100. Right 5, tighten 4. Left 3. Right 3.
You didn't remind me to air down the tires.
Did I miss 286 and 454?
Left 4.
Have they finished yet? KF
Right 5, long.
Right 5 long.
50.
Thank you.
Left 5, 100. Left 5, 25. Left 3, right 2.
Left 3. This is a right 2.
200 through. Right 4. Left 4. Oh, sorry. Right 4. Left 4 tight. 50. Right 2. What was the right 2?
That was left.
Okay, 50. Right 2.
Right.
Left 3. 50.
Is that
Right 5 long. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark.
Yep. That exclamation mark matches right there.
Tighten, left 4. Over crest. Go. Go.
I didn't want Chris to be sitting on the other
300.
side.
Right 4.
I got 70.
They're probably doing over 100 right here, right?
Yeah, Travis probably hit 115.
75 over crest.
Yeah, buddy. So far, so good. And we're gonna flat tow. We're flat towing. This is where we no longer have.
98, stopping at 5.7.
I'll take him. Wait! Hey! Close that up! Yep.
Be advised, S90 is going to plateau 404 off stage. Sweet 90, passing 6.0.
You need me to watch while you get. You need me to watch while you get tight on them at all? That is a genius idea. I love it. Plus, it's kind of a dedicated one.
Yep.
So you can say, "Hey, hold on to your asses."
All right. Oh. Seatbelt out of the door. Most people don't like those. Whoop, they want that one. They don't want that one.
Can I shut this now? We're not
Yeah.
getting this right. We're
Nope.
gonna mosey on down. Oh, he's just getting that for his. Wait, so does it run?
Ready if you are.
Ready to go.
I tight.
Up higher.
So you can turn off the rear flashers?
Yeah, I've got front and rear wired separate.
The turn signal flashers?
Oh no, the
Oh, you're talking about
bar.
the roof one. Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.